Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the top 3 best spark plugs of 2025. Whether you're looking for better fuel efficiency, improved engine performance, or a reliable replacement for your old plugs, we've got you covered. I'll break down the features, durability, and overall value of each option so you can choose the right spark plugs for your car. Stay tuned for the full review. Number 3. Today we're reviewing the NGK G-Power Platinum Spark Plugs TR5GP, sold here as an 8-piece set. NGK is a trusted name in the automotive world, and their G-Power series is designed for reliable performance, fuel efficiency, and durability. Built with a platinum core and top material, these plugs operate over a much wider heat range compared to standard plugs, making them ideal for long-lasting use. One standout feature is their ability to resist carbon buildup and pre-ignition, helping your engine run smoother and cleaner. NGK's patented triple gasket sealing process also eliminates the risk of combustion gas leakage, which can cause performance issues in cheaper plugs. Customer reviews confirm the performance benefits. One buyer installed these in a 2003 GMC Yukon Denali and noticed an immediate power increase after replacing the plugs and wires. They did note that the pre-gap can be inconsistent, so adjusting to your vehicle specifications is key. Another reviewer highlighted that installation was easy, their truck ran better right away, and the 8-pack bundle makes it convenient and cost-effective for larger engines. Overall, the NGK G-Power Platinum Spark Plugs TR5GP are a smart investment if you want dependable performance, better combustion efficiency, and long-term reliability for your vehicle. Number 2. Today we're taking a closer look at the NGK LKR 7BX11S Iridium 9 Spark Plugs 93501, available in a convenient 4-pack. NGK is one of the most trusted brands in automotive performance, and these Iridium 9 plugs are designed specifically for enthusiasts who demand reliability and responsiveness. Built with a 0.6mm laser welded fine iridium tip, these plugs provide extreme ignitability, a stable spark, and improved throttle response. The tapered ground electrode reduces electrical quenching, while the longer insulator nose helps prevent fouling. With NGK's triple gasket seal, you won't have to worry about combustion gas leaks. Plus, the iridium alloy has an incredibly high melting point, giving these plugs superior durability against heat and electrical were perfect for today's high-performance engines. User reviews back up these claims. One customer noticed their engine fired up smoother than ever after installation, although they did find some inconsistencies in the factory gap and recommend checking before use. Another buyer installed them in a 2016 Subaru Crosstrek 2.0 and said the car runs great, highlighting that while plug sizes may update slightly over time, these fit well and delivered excellent results. Overall, the NGK Iridium 9 spark plugs offer durability, better combustion efficiency, and enhanced performance, making them a smart upgrade for any vehicle. Number 1. Today we're reviewing the NGK LKR 7DX11S Iridium 9 spark plugs 93175, sold in a 4-pack. Known worldwide for their quality, NGK spark plugs are designed to deliver reliability, efficiency, and high performance for modern engines. These plugs feature a 0.6mm laser welded iridium tip, which ensures long-lasting durability and a consistently strong spark. The fine tip design improves ignitability and throttle response, while the tapered ground electrode minimizes quenching for better combustion. The plug's longer insulator nose reduces fouling, and the corrugated ribs prevent flashover. Plus, NGK's triple gasket seal eliminates combustion gas leakage, making these plugs both durable and dependable. The iridium alloy has an extremely high melting point, allowing it to withstand intense heat and electrical wear in today's high-performance engines. To top it off, the trivalent metal plating protects against corrosion and seizing, ensuring easier installation and removal over time. User reviews highlight their reliability and value. One customer said these were an exact replacement for their Kia dealer-installed NGK plugs, but noted this model is an upgraded version that came properly gapped and easy to install. Another review praised the affordability and overall dependability. Overall, the NGK LKR 70X 11S Iridium 9 spark plugs are a great choice for anyone seeking long-lasting performance, smooth engine operation, and excellent value for money. Thanks for watching our top 3 best spark plugs 2025 review. I hope this guide helps you pick the right spark plugs to boost your car's performance and reliability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more auto parts and maintenance reviews. Drop a comment below with your favorite spark plug brand or any questions you have. See you in the next video.